Meet the leading star, Oorja Technical Services, electrical testing, calibration, and maintenance services at Bharat Electrical Summit 2026 from 19th March to 22nd March at booth number 1 M68, Yashobhumi, New Delhi. Electrical testing, calibration, and maintenance services. Oorja Technical Services, Private Limited, India's topmost ISO 17025 NABL, accredited testing and calibration laboratory with 500-plus service engineers at pan-India locations. Oorja's electrical testing and calibration services include reference standard meter calibration with traceable accuracy, all types of energy, meter calibration and testing, single-phase, three-phase, LT, HT, static, and electromechanical. Current transformer and potential transformer testing and calibration for ratio, phase angle error, and burden performance. We specialize in advanced diagnostics including power quality analysis with harmonic testing to identify power disturbances affecting your equipment. BDV kit calibration to ensure accurate breakdown voltage measurement for transformer oil testers. Oorja provides prompt, accurate, and paperless, electronically approved documentation system to DISCOMs, wind parks, solar parks, power generation plants, pharmaceutical, chemical, and automobile industries, electrical and electronics industry, aviation manufacturing industry, semiconductor industry, petroleum products industry, chemical, pesticides, and agrochemicals industry, oil, gas, and refineries industry.